National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Burke County in east central Georgia, southeastern Richmond County in east central Georgia, southeastern Edgefield County in central South Carolina, western Barnwell County in central South Carolina, southwestern Lexington County in central South Carolina, Aiken County in central South Carolina, southern Saluda County in central South Carolina, western Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Johnston to near Waynesboro, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aiken, North Augusta, Waynesboro, Savannah Riverside, Aiken Mall, Plant Dogville, Clearwater, Belvedere, Williston, Johnston, New Ellenton, Jackson, Sardis, Ridge Spring, Edgefield County Airport, Citizens Park, Augusta Regional Airport, Alexander, Burke County Airport, and Aiken. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 7 and 39. Interstate 520 in Georgia between mile markers 12 and 15. Interstate 520 in South Carolina between mile markers 16 and 21. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Standard Time for east central Georgia and central South Carolina. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows,